Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER in UK. Today I would like to show you how to change wiper blades on popular Mercedes A-Class. There's lots of troubles to match correct wiper blades because this model has two different type of wiper arms. In July up to June 2015, the wiper blade arm was like that. We call it pinched up. So your wiper arm and blade probably looks like that. From July 2015, Mercedes put the new Top Lock M type of wiper arm, but please note it's not means that 65 blade cars will have that. It's manufacture date, not the registration date. Your reg in the UK shows only registration date, not the manufacture date. So please be aware, even 65 plate still can have old type of wiper arm. Today I will show you how to change wiper blade to HEYNER hybrid from standard Mercedes blades. So to remove the wiper blade, you need to lift wiper arm, then twist a little bit wiper blade so you can see this plastic piece over here, and this allows you to push top of the wiper up. Yeah, let's click and you can remove wiper blade from the arm. Once again, how to remove this wiper. First you need to leave the wiper arm, then twist it so you can see this bit over here. Then it allows you to pull the original Mercedes-Benz adapter up, and then you can release the wiper blade. Okay, now I'm gonna fit HEYNER hybrid wiper blades in size of 24 on driver side and 19 inch on passenger side. To do it, you need to put the pushback adapter, original Mercedes-Benz adapter, and then we need to remove it and replace it by HEYNER adapter. To do it, just gently bend the plastic end of the adapter, and that allows you to remove it. Then there's the second part of adapter. There's a little rubber thing over here. You need to remove it as well. After that, you can easily fit HEYNER adapter onto the wiper arm. You will see here, click, and then it allows you to attach the HEYNER wiper blade to the adapter. And job done. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with passenger side 19-inch wiper blade. So we need to lift the wiper arm, twist wiper blade like that. This allows us to pull this adapter up and then release wiper blade. Then again we need to push back the adapter down, and then here we have two bits we need to bend a little bit outside the wiper arm. Please be gently. Winter time this adapter might snap, but if you have a HEYNER wiper blades, you won't need it anymore. And again, take off that. With that wiper arm, please don't leave the wiper arm like that unsecure. Put it gently on the windscreen. It's the best. Put some cloth underneath. Now again, we need the HEYNER adapter, which we slide here, click. I've got 19-inch wiper blade over here ready to install. There's a slot for the metal bar over here. Fantastic. Job done. Here we've got the new type of wiper arm on Mercedes-Benz A-Class, but like I said on the beginning, you might have this type of arm if your car is manufactured up to June 2015. It's not registered, it's manufactured. So in the description below, we're gonna put VIN numbers to look. It's here on your under your windscreen. So we're gonna put the numbers, which numbers apply to the old wiper arm, which to new wiper arm. Thank you for watching.